Hi, welcome to Eurosender. I see you've just created your account. That's amazing. Let me quickly walk you through it so you see where everything is. All right, let's get into it. Right up top, you'll see a summary. How many orders you've made, what's coming up, as well as your wallet balance. Below that is your starting point. You can create new shipments here directly by choosing the pickup and delivery countries and selecting the service you need. After you make a shipment with us, your recent orders will appear right here, with live status and timestamps. Similarly, you'll find a list of any documents tied to your shipments in this area to the right. There's also a handy tool at the bottom to check the item dimensions and weights, so you can pick the best shipping option for you. And right here is a simple tracker. Paste any tracking in order to get instant updates on your shipment. All right. Now let's continue. Let's check the navigational menu to the left. Right here we have a couple of different buttons. Dashboard is the first one. That's where we are right now, and clicking this button will take you right back here. To continue, we have the new order, all right? New order is a shortcut to place shipments fast. Right up we have batch import. Batch import will allow you to upload multiple shipments at once and place orders fast. Then we have the Orders tab. Orders tab is where you have your full shipment history. It's basically a little tool with filters and tracking, so you have everything in one place. Continuing, we have Documents. So Documents stores your shipping labels, your invoices, and everything tied to your order. Right up, we have Wallet. Wallet's where you manage credits, you can top up your balance, as well as see recent transactions. Next, we have the Profile tab. The Profile tab holds your personal and company information, which you can modify at any given time if necessary. And the last tab will be the Eurosender API tab. Here you can request access to the API to automate shipping if needed. Now let's go through how to place an order. Click right here and start by choosing your pickup and delivery countries, just like so. Then choose the service that best fits your needs. You can ship small things like documents, regular parcels up to 70 kilograms, or even pallets. Need something bigger or faster? Choose van, or full truck transport for large loads. I'm gonna go with a package option. Click on the button. Here you will be guided through a simple 4-step process for placing your order. Just fill in the shipment details, follow the process, and book the shipment. All right, let's continue to batch importing. So this handy feature will allow you to basically upload multiple shipments at once. You can start by simply downloading the Excel template right here. Once you have it downloaded, just fill in all the required fields and upload it right back. Once everything checks out, just proceed and your shipment will be created automatically. Once your orders are placed, you can find them right here under the Orders tab. Each row shows key information at a glance, from tracking code to shipping labels to status of your orders. You can also use the search bar right here to the left to search all of your past orders by reference or tracking number. Then again, you can also click on any order to see it in full detail and, for example, also see the tracking number, which gives you real-time updates, download documents such as invoices, or click on the shipping label to download it directly. All your shipping documents are stored in one place, the Documents tab. So right here is where you'll find invoices, shipping confirmations, and all of the other files linked to your order. Once your orders are processed, you'll be able to download them right here. And if you don't want to receive the invoice per order, but would rather receive it periodically, don't worry about it. We can set up even that. But we'll get into the specifics of how to set it up a bit later. In the Wallet tab, you can top up your account and use credits to pay for shipments faster. Simply choose the selected amount, pay for it, and the balance will update instantaneously. So using credits doesn't just save you time, it actually saves you money as well. For example, you'll get 10% off on standard parcels by paying with credits and 3% off on pallet shipments. And since everything is prepaid, you won't need to enter payment details, so you can get through your order a lot faster. Let's finish with your profile. That's where you can manage your personal and your company's data. So right here in My Details is where you'll be able to change some of the personal data and perhaps even add a different billing email. And then if we go on to the next tab, Company Details, you can enter your company name, address, and most importantly, your VAT ID. Adding a valid VAT number will actually give you access to business price list, so it's really worth it to update it as soon as you can. If you don't want to receive separate invoices for each of the orders, you can set up periodical billing instead. Just click on the link right here and let our team know you'd prefer periodical billing instead. And if you need to automate your shipping, you can request API access by clicking this last tab right here. Alright, it's time to quickly recap what you've just seen. So, right here is where you can create shipments easily. Choose your countries, service, and go. Batch import lets you upload multiple orders in a single go. So, in the Orders tab, you can track everything with live status, labels, and tracking. The Documents tab stores all the information about invoices and documents in one central place. Top up your wallet and save up to 10% and speed up the checkout right here. In the Profile tab, you can manage your personal details and unlock business rates and collective invoicing. And if needed, you can request API access to fully automate your logistics. Fast checkout with credits, easy reordering, bulk importing, and all the documents in one place. And if you ever need anything, we're just a click away. Don't forget to check out the welcome email you've received for more useful tips, and remember, the more orders you make, the easier it gets.